Good morning, children. Children, this is from Maths book, page number 82. This is continuation of page 81. E part, same way children, you have to do this 100, then 99, 98. These are backward countings. Clear? You will complete this. Then question number 7, count and fill in the missing numbers. This also children, here it will be 51, 52, 53, 54 in this way. Clear children? You must be knowing how to do the counting. Okay. Now children, question number 8, count the beats and write the numbers. Here are the beats given. How many beats are there in tens column? There are 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will write here 5 tens and then 1 in 1 beats. So 5 tens and 1 ones will make 51. Clear? Same way this also. I told you in the class also. These are called spikes. This is right spike and this is left spike. And here it is T for tens and O for ones. Tens and ones. Then you will count these. How many beats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beats are there. So you will write here 6 tens and here 1, 2, 3. So you will write here 3. So 6 tens and 3 ones will make 63. In this way you will complete these two also. Come to the next page. Page number 83. Here also same. You have to count the beats and write the answer here. Then come to question number 9. Draw the correct number of beats in tens and ones spike to show the given numbers. Here it is 45. They have given number 45. So this will be 4 tens and 5 ones. So you will draw 4 beads here and here you will draw 5 beads. 4 beads and 5 beads, that is 4 tens and 5 ones. So 45 it will become. Here also in tens, this is 5 tens. So in tens column you will draw 5 beads and in ones column you will draw 8 beads. So you will draw it here. Same with this also. See here children, just before, just after and in between. Here it is more clear explanation on this number line. See how it is. Here from year to year it is going, from 51 to 50 it is going back, and from 51 to 52 it is going forward, that is after. So children, here it is 50 comes just before 51, 50 comes just before 51. Clear? Before 51. When 50 comes? Before 51. And 52 comes after 51. 52 comes after 51. Clear? Just try to understand this. 52 comes after 51. When it comes? After 51. Clear? Here also 57 comes just before 58. 57 comes just before 58. And 59 comes just after 58. 59 comes just after 58. Clear? So children, understand all this and then do, because it is slight bit confusion, but children, if you will see it properly, read it again and again and draw it like this, I think so you will come to know. It will be clear in your brain. 83 comes in between 82 and 84. See here, 83 comes in between. This is in between 82 and 84. This is in between. Here left side is 82 and right side is 84. So it is in between 82 and 84. 86 comes in between 85 and 87. 86 comes in between 85 and 87. Clear? So children, let's try fill in the boxes with the number just before, the number just after, or the number in between. This you can easily do because the boxes are given in front and at the back. This you can do, but the problem is here. How to read and understand, that is more important. So just go with this first. This you can do easily. 54, 55, 78. So before 78 is 77. Then before 55, 54. After 89, 90, and then 91. 90 is in between 89 and 91. 66, 67, 98, 99, 100. So children, 99 is in between 98 and 100. Come to the next, that is classwork given. Find the sum of, this is classwork 8. Here I have given addition sums, and if it is carry, double digit answer will come, then you have to carry. 7 plus 6, stick out 6 fingers, count after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you will write here 3 and carry 1 to tens house, or you can write at the side also, write on top tens ones, cancel 3 and write it here and carry 1 here. So 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So you will write here. Here I have given subtraction 3 digit numbers. So you can do this also, and here one more addition sums. Write the short form of in figures I want. So first one I did for you, 30 plus 5. This is expanded form and you have to write in short form. So it becomes 35. Clear? This is short form and this is expanded form. 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 1 tens and 2 ones. So 1 and 2 is 12. Then 90 plus 8 is equal to 98. Here children, I did not write anything here. This is single digit, that is only 3. So only 3 in tens column you can put a 0 and you can leave the square. So how you will write here? 0, 3. Clear? You can write 0, 3. Tens column there is no number. Only ones column there is number. So you will fill up in ones only. You will not fill it here. If you fill it here, this 3 ones will become 3 tens. Clear? So 0, 3 you will write here. 60 plus 1. So you will write here 61. Okay children, complete all this. You can send the images of classwork. Clear? Don't send the images of books. Clear children? Book pages I don't want. I only want classwork pages. So send the classwork pages for the correction. Clear children? Thank you children. Have a nice day.